Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you the top 5 3D printed constructions. Over the last 5 years, 3D printing technology has produced numerous incredible structures all over the world, including 3D printed houses, cabins, offices, bridges, pavilions, large-scale structures, shelters, and more. As 3D construction grows, it has the potential to disrupt the traditional construction process. Number 1. Mini Castle. Our first pick is this majestic 3D printed castle created by Andrei Rudenko, who also developed the 3D concrete house printer. Rudenko's 3D printing system is capable of printing layers of concrete 10 millimeters high by 30 millimeters wide. This relatively small layer height enables exceptional details, especially when it comes to concrete 3D printing. It's those fine details that give this 3D printed castle an incredibly smooth and curvy appearance. The structure was first built by Rudenko and has enabled him to learn and improve his machine for more ambitious projects. After completing this project in 2014, the innovative maker announced that he was considering printing a full-sized house. While that hasn't happened yet, his printers are being used in other projects, as we'll see later. Number 2. Amie. Additive Manufacturing Integrated Energy. Amie was created by the Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory, ORNL. This one-of-a-kind project consists of more than just a 3D printed house. It's a solar-powered building that's connected to a hybrid electric vehicle designed to create an integrated energy system. The 3D printed vehicle can provide energy to the home at night, while solar panels provide energy to the vehicle during the day. Both the mobile home and car were manufactured by ORNL's BAAM 3D printer out of carbon fiber reinforced polymer material. Developed with Cincinnati ink, this large-scale 3D printer is capable of printing objects as large as 20 by 12 by 6 feet in size. The solar-powered building, 38 by 12 by 13 feet, was drafted by the architecture firm Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, SOM, and assembled by Clayton Homes. Since this project, ORNL has continued to work with 3D printing projects, including not only vehicles and buildings, but also heavy machinery and even a submersible. If you're enjoying the video, then hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. Number 3. Winsun, China 3D printed villa. On March 29, 2014, 10 3D printed houses, each measuring 200 square meters, appeared in Shanghai, China. The buildings were created entirely out of concrete using a gigantic 3D printer, and each costs only 30,000 RMB, $4,800. Today, just 10 months after the initial project, the company behind these 3D printed buildings, Shanghai Winsun, Decoration Design Engineering Company, made a new announcement that will take 3D printed buildings to a whole new level. They've built the highest 3D printed building, a 5-story residential house, and the world's first 3D printed villa. The villa measures 1,100 square meters and even comes complete with internal and external decorations. Number 4. Gaia, Italy 3D printed house. The latest installment of our Disen and Mini living series features a sustainable 3D printed house made with soil and agricultural waste. Italian 3D printing technology developer WASP built the house to showcase the abilities of Crane Wasp, a modular 3D printer that can create homes in a variety of formats and sizes. Called Gaia, the 30 square meter house has a 3D printed outer shell and internal timber beams holding a timber roof. It was printed on site in Massa Lombardo, a town in the Italian region of Emilia-Romagna, in October of 2018. The house was printed using a natural mud mixture made from soil taken from the surrounding site, as well as waste materials from rice production, such as chopped straw and rice husks. Gaia is the result of a limited and optimized use of agricultural resources, which through technology have been converted into a complex building with a minimal environmental footprint, Wasp told Disen. The company also claims the final product is biodegradable. Number 5. 3D printed office of the future in Dubai. Killa Design has developed the world's first fully functional and permanently occupied 3D printed office in Dubai. Office of the Future building is currently the home for the Dubai Future Foundation, as well as an exhibition space and incubator for future emerging technologies in the region. The initiative comes as part of a Dubai 3D printing strategy launched on the same year, which focuses on the development of 3D printing to improve people's lives in the construction and medical sectors. The entire structure of the building was manufactured using an additive concrete printing technique using a 3D printer 20 feet high, 120 feet long, and 40 feet wide. The printer features an automated robotic arm to implement the printing process, which lasted 17 days and was installed on-site in 2 days. Subsequent work on the building surfaces, interior, and landscape took approximately 3 months. As a result of this innovative construction technique, the labor cost was cut by more than 50% compared to conventional buildings of similar size, and wastage on site was minimized, which helped to reduce the overall environmental footprint of the project. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below which 3D printed construction you like the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next video.